Hello and welcome everyone to Silver Asset of the Day for the 15th of October 2021, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So as we get towards the end of the week here, what do you need to be aware of? Well, first of all, in the last week, we have seen an increase in the overall net long position here with silver, 1% increase in overall funds that have got long on silver. With that, that's definitely been reflective in the price. We've seen a breakout now over the course of this week of 4% to the upside. Silver prices are now up 6% for October. But not only that, we've seen big breakouts here on copper, on platinum, on gold and palladium as well. As you know, we've continued to build into these positions over the course of September and also October. Copper has had a phenomenal move over this week. Just yesterday, over a 4% breakout to the upside. In fact, over this week so far, copper prices are up 8% and 12% for the month. As you know, we've had 5 positions on copper. We've taken the opportunity over this week to bank 3 of those positions for over 1,500 points profit. However, currently we have over 9,000 points of open profit that we built up over palladium, over gold, over platinum and our remaining copper positions, which puts our overall profit right now at over 9,000 points that we have running currently. So of course, just to really break it down for you, 9,000 points for a minimum of 1 lot per contract, that's $90,000 of profit. And for a 10 lot contract, that's $900,000 of profit, almost $1 million that we've capitalized on here on this slingshot move higher that we've seen on metals since the beginning of a new quarter. So note where we are now. We're 2 weeks into a new quarter. We've seen big inflows into the metals, everything from gold to silver to platinum to palladium to copper. They have all had massive breakouts to the upside. We've now got the dollar index breaking down to 2-week lows after the FOMC minutes on Wednesday were released. 10-year yields have also broken down to 1-week lows. The gold-silver ratio has broken down to 2-week lows. So as you know, as the gold-silver ratio sells off, that will propel gold and silver higher. So as we've talked you through before, typically the month of October is a strong month for the metals, especially once you get past the public holidays in Asia that we had last week during the Golden Week holidays. So this actually provides you with a golden opportunity to sniper in and buy low on the metals. If you didn't catch the move this year, make sure you note it for next year in October when Asia are away for that week, when China is closed for their national day, public holidays for the week. It's a great opportunity to buy in low, especially as we move into a new quarter and you subsequently get that big breakout high that we've seen on many of the metals. So I do hope that you've been able to capitalize on that. So with respect to the rest of the month here, usually as you go into next week, many of the metals, they consolidate the gains and you get a further spike higher later on into October, and November can be more corrective. So that's really what I'd be looking at to capitalize on at the moment. As you know, we built into a number of positions on the metals that we continue to manage. And this really comes down to having access to data, research, market intelligence, statistics, alongside that, understanding the daily, the weekly, the monthly, the quarterly cycles in the market, further compound that with sentiment in the market, capital flows, knowledge and understanding of intermarket correlations, the ratios in the market, and of course be aware of the major news items that will have the biggest catalyst and impact for commodities, creating those slingshot moves and impulse moves to the upside, which you can of course benefit from massively, and alongside that understand how the hedge funds, money managers, banks and institutions are positioned in the market. That will help you hugely to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the research-driven approach to the market and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.